Hey guys, we are live. Is there someone here? Concurrent viewers. Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Caffeine channel for this Saturday live. Okay, this is a normal Q&A live stream, but we are going to explore NG Zorro. It's a kind of funny name for a UI framework, library, whatever you want to call it. So we're trying to explore this. I want to show you what I am talking about. So I want to open Chrome. And I'm talking about this stuff that I discovered recently. I like it. I'm just waiting for more people to come in and say hello and maybe share this the idea of installing this in an Angular project. Let's wait. Concurrent viewers, 2 people. Don't seem to be crowded this live. Is there someone here? Okay, what actually I have here? Because just, yeah, I want to create a new. Should be the latest version of Angular CLI actually. 11.06. Let's check this one. This is the next, so pre-release. The latest release is 11.06. So, what version of it? I mean the node 14.15.4. I think should be the latest version of Node. LTS, long time support version as well. Okay, I want to create a test. NG Zorro. I don't think there is a schematic for creating a project from this kind of, yeah. If you follow the installation, you should install the Angular CLI globally and new project name. Okay, let's type this one. I'm not interested in strict mode. Angular routing. Okay. SCSS. Can't wait for the new Node.js. Buena bro, buena verte por acá. I think it's hello, El Vutrich. Yeah, I remember you followed some of my videos that I posted, and you were the first one to comment, so I really appreciate your comments in Spanish. I couldn't translate now. Buena bro is like something like hello, I suppose. That's it, yeah. Hello, it's good to see you. Hello to you too, El Vutrich. Where are you from? I don't remember if I already asked you. Suppose you're from a Spanish country, or a country where they speak Spanish. Okay, we have the Chile and you. Okay, I actually live in Switzerland, in the French Switzerland, but I am from Italy. Maybe you can hear for my accent. Just wanna type NG serve for checking that everything is running correctly. Not really happy about performance when you running Intel-based applications on your Mac M1. And you know, I mean here I'm running, especially OBS. It's been really improved for running on Mac M1 through Rosetta 2, but that's a problem. We are waiting for the native M1. I think that you are from USA. I'm not. I've been twice in USA. Pretty nice. I'd like to visit I think the west part, California. But yeah, I've been twice in New York. It's kind of funny, hectic city. Okay, just check the local host. Yeah, everything is running correctly. I don't have anything. I like to be network here because I like to have the console for checking if everything. Never I think that you're from Italy. Yeah, because it's been 10 years now that I live in Switzerland. Yeah, Switzerland is a nice country. Multi-ethnic city. you have German part, Italian part, French part. And there is a kind of it's not a strange language, but it's a kind of a mix of these three language, a Romansh language. It's pretty weird in the center of Switzerland. It's kind of a funny and weird accent they have. And it's really, really cold. So you have a lot of mountains for skiing. Okay, so the interesting part about NG Zorro now, let's come. So it's like a material actually. So you notice the schematics, material but angular for installing. Where is it? Get started. You should type ng add. So let's do this. So stop the server and type ng add ng Zorro. Installing packages for tooling via npm. Enable icon dynamic loading. Why not? This kind of animation that's pretty smooth. Set up custom theme file. Okay. Choose your local code. It's kind of the internationalization. Or choose template to create project, and this is something like stunning function we have here. Side menu, I like this one. And it's creating, and I will show you guys what actually is creating. Concurrent viewers 4, you're 4 people guys in live, so maybe just show me that you're live. Just say me hello. Forgot to bring a cup of coffee. Okay, after that, I want to serve and show you that everything is running correctly. Okay, I'm sure that for the new node version, it's gonna compile faster. I will make me a coffee. You know what? Me too. Just wait here for a moment, guys. Because it's important to have coffee. I mean, studying caffeine, so I love coffee. Imagine having a channel called chocolate and wine. You never show chocolate or wine. It's a shame. Okay, guys, what we have here. Okay, I just compiled. Look at that. Look at that. So you have, it's kind of a nice and smooth sidebar with the form. I want to stop the. I just open my Visual Studio Code and restart the server. Look at this. So basically you have some modification here in the package.json, the version package log. We don't automatically updated the Angular JSON. Kevibun, hi Kevibun. What am I doing with the messages here? Still don't know how to make the comment on the screen that you will see. Okay, we have this theme.less. I think that, yeah, for changing the theme. And the application you have, okay, we have the icon provider. This is a new module. Everything has been changed automatically. And what is nice, automatically we have the this new module. Do you have something make it with Zorro to see how it is look? No. It's the first time I'm installing or the side of Zorro. Yeah, the website is here. But I've never created a project about with this framework. I discovered yesterday. I didn't know this framework actually. I always used Material, but I found Material very, very basic light, and I want to discover something. And if you look in the component here, components, this kind of components, I only found this kind of rich components in PrimeNG. PrimeNG, I like it. We use for work, but the integration with Angular, it's a pain in the ass actually. It's hardcore. You have to change everything in the configuration. This one is easier, I think. So if you look in the app routing, the basing at the source, automatically we have the lazy loading module for this page here. Okay. This is fantastic. So we have the on the route welcome automatically load. Okay, so on the path full, I mean, if I type localhost, we are redirected. I mean, you know this basic stuff. And the old bootstrap, how work with Angular? The boot, I think they're on version 5, and I like it, but you don't have a lot of components, and components that PrimeNG has, or components like semantic UI or this nebular or NG Zorro, you have a lot of components. And I mean, in Bootstrap, it's more like, what I like about Bootstrap is the grid, the fact that you can use buttons and typography or the columns. It's for responsiveness. I love it, but you don't have a lot of components. Are very, very basic. Very clean, but yeah, that's it. So the integration with Bootstrap, just for answering your question, it's fine, but I'm looking for something more rich. So okay, what should we test now is the. So now, okay, we serve. This is the manually installation. There's not much people there, huh? I want to try the schematics. Okay, this is an interesting part as well. So we want to create a component, like, let's check this command here. What is doing for us? So ng generate is like Angular schematics, but ng Zorro and d colon form normal login. So this one. Okay, more than one module matches. Is a skip import option to skip importing. Yeah, because it's trying to generate this kind of component and module inside the pages and welcome. So since we already have the welcome module, we should create a new module or just a component by typing yeah, skip import. We just want to create the component in pages welcome. Okay, we should maybe put the login in pages, so the way we can have. Right, so now in pages package we have login and welcome, but we only have a welcome module. Should try to adapt this. For we have what we have to do. Schematics. Okay, let's suppose we want to yes, sir. What time is there? Here is almost 4 o'clock. And what about Chile? Okay, my aim is to have this path here, you know, but now we don't have anything because can we just, can I make the console bigger actually? never mind. Here is 11:52. So you are AM. Yeah, a few hours ahead of us. Is it like USA maybe? No, because USA is 6 hour before ahead of us. So no, before, not ahead. Yeah. Okay, how can we do this? Okay, I think that in the what we have here, the welcome page, that's the app page. Okay, here we have a path. I want to have the same one actually. But with the login. Right? Of course, you will have the same error. So we have to adapt this in our app routing module. The component, of course, is login component, and I don't think we have any issues. Or because we completely have this, you know what? Just for, because I just want to show you guys the, I want to put NG on init, and I don't mind about that. Just for showing you the behavior of pages, like login works. This is like Angular when it generates new components. I don't think, just recompiles. Oh, luckily you are here, man, because otherwise would have be a desert on this live. So, L. Vutrich, what do you do? I mean, you're a developer, you are a programmer, instructor. I'm really, really happy you're here, man. Okay, as you can see, we have fixed the login, and now we have the route. Login works, so this is kind of nice if you want to build dashboard. Actually, I want to try a new stuff. That is one of the thing that I do. I'm not sure I understand what exactly you do maybe one of the things that I mentioned, developer, programmer, but you are in the IT field. Okay, I want to try to create a new module, actually form normal. Let's do sign up. Space sign up. And with this, look at the link. It's a game. What game? Okay, maybe I will discover your channel after. Thank you for the link. Thank you very much. Okay, I used to work with Java for bank. Oh, wow. You would be perfect for Switzerland. The job market's full of this kind of positions for banks. This is full of banks here. Okay, apparently there is no because there is no other explanations about the schematics. It's like name options. You will be very happy, I think, in Switzerland, because let's suppose I only change the name. Because actually I wanna create a new module. There's not a lot of documentation about this. Okay, you work in a game. Fantastic. This is fantastic. Beat them up. Okay. And what kind of game is it? Okay, so here we only generated the component. All right, so let's. Do you play Final Fight of Capcom? I know Capcom, but don't know Final Fight. Is it something like Street Fighter or Tekken? I played in the past on PlayStation, but I'm not this kind of a gamer anymore. I'm more like Call of Duty, shooter. Oh, I used to play. I don't play anymore because time management is hard to play as well, because having a family, working full time, and play video games is not easy. And especially now, because I have a YouTube channel to maintain, I cannot play games anymore. But I was a gamer until a few months ago, just playing, Call of Duty, this kind of things online. And if I only type this, NG Zorro int D, actually, maybe this is the command for generating components, because the module we created, this was for the installation. Because in Angular schematics, normally you have ng generate m for module or c for components. For that I let deep bank, or maybe you would you would write you left the bank. I don't know. I used to work with bank. Oh, you worked before, so now you're full into games, right? Okay, you're full into games. This is cool. What is important is to be happy about what you do. The documentation is not very rich of, I don't know actually, but up until now we only created components. Or the NG Zorro. Schematics. Do you make something with Cordoba and Angular? You're talking about Ionic as well, because I studied on a few projects, and I used Ionic for cross-platform applications, but I don't do that anymore. Yeah, I studied more on Ionic, but not anymore. I only do Angular, and with my work, I'm sort of a junior on Java and Spring, so I only do that. Before, in the past, I would have been mobile developer. I used Ionic for a while. This is cool. Better than native or hybrid applications. I don't know. I mean, better than Android or Xcode development. You create an Angular project, or you can also integrate with React, I think. The heck, there isn't anything about schematics. I mean, if that's the question you want to know the answer, what I think about Ionic or Cordova or in general cross-platform. You know what? Let's generate module called. Oh yeah, just don't follow this path exactly. Just generate. Okay, so now we have oath and what do you think in hybrid development? Okay, can you mention some technologies about hybrid? React Native, you're talking about that, or? So now we have the auth module. Now we should be able to generate a component here. I want to create a sign-up component in auth. Follow this kind of schematics. So, if I'm not wrong, that's the name. The name is our custom name. That actually we cannot change this. Sign up. Yeah, I actually love the Ionic. I love it. Pretty easy. It's like an Angular project, but you know that you're developing for a mobile application. Pretty easy to test. Yeah, is nice. My hub. Okay, let's just try this out. I don't think it's gonna work because we should actually have. Okay, we should specify the module. Specify a module. Actually, I don't know names about the normal form. Should maybe dig deep for this. I never remember how can we generate. But with Cordova, you take this project to make it in Angular and transform it in mobile app. Yes. Or any project in HTML. All right, dash dash module equal. So if we do that, okay, so I have here something. Where's the module that I created? Oath. So I have oath module. The heck? let's do this. Okay, why my connection is dead? There is an OBS problem. Yeah, I know. I don't know why. I don't know why. Lost my camera. Can you see me again? Can you see me again? There's something that I'm missing, guys. Oh, Zorro doesn't have anything. Okay, I mean, I have to admit, I love this stuff, but there is no like the Angular documentation. So, I mean, we only have here these schematics, but I don't know schematics. What can you do with it? You know, I mean, if you paste this command here, we should be able to create something more custom, like form or what. I mean, I don't have anything. Something fast to see. I mean, maybe you want to see some examples. Yeah. Okay, so let's skip the part where we install this stuff. I mean, it was just for showing I mean, the power of this NG Zorro framework to be integrated with Angular. But yeah, we should maybe wait for something more interested about the documentation. Okay, companies using NG Zorro. I have the answer for you. L. Vutrich, Alibaba. Okay, right? Yeah, because it's basically, I think it's maintained by Chinese. So, are you telling me that this everything is built is based on? Yeah, you know, the responsiveness is good. Framework, you know, it's correct. It's correct. Let's see more. You know what? We'll open everything. Apache Zeppelin. Yeah, for example, is enough. Okay, so everything is built. I don't like it. It's built on NG Zorro. Menus are good. The responsiveness as well. Nice. Yeah, it's good. It's good. This framework. That's a pity that the documentation is not something rich of examples, but yeah, I should wait for this. Okay, I think I will go and end the stream And it's all for today. Thank you, El Vuchrich, for being in this live. And I'm planning of making a video or a stream, I don't know, about Prime NG. This is full of components here. You have a lot of stuff. It's been a pleasure to see you as well. Okay, so I will end this stream and have a good day. Of course, I will drink the rest of coffee. And I'll see you in next videos. Bye.